Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to find specific GIFs in WhatsApp on your PC. GIFs are a fun way to express yourself during chats, so let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC by double-clicking on the app icon. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the desired chat where you want to send a GIF. Step 3. Look for the smiling face icon located in the chat input box and click on it. This will open the GIFs menu. Step 4. In the GIFs menu, click on the GIFs tab. Here, you'll find a wide variety of GIFs to choose from. Step 5. To find a specific GIF, use the search bar located at the top of the GIFs menu. Type in a keyword related to the GIF you're looking for. Step 6. As you type, WhatsApp will display relevant GIFs matching your keyword. Browse through the results until you find the perfect GIF. Step 7. Once you've found the desired GIF, simply click on it to select it. Step 8. Finally, click on the send button to share the GIF in your chat. And there you have it. You now know how to easily find and send specific GIFs in WhatsApp on your PC. Get creative and add some fun to your conversations. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.